Now getting it to you. Now, this video, yeah. We're looking at the teammates, we're going to make another video. Giving it to the wrong person, Panilio on the steal, and Panilio is... Okay. Koda. And now here's the ball, that's the ball for the team of Oka. Pierre trying to lift off the 11 in favor of Bangaita for Okan, and now the ball giving down to his teammate of the seat because of the cross there, but they still have the ball. That's good, and now trying to get that ball to shoot that one, and he passes that ball. That's very good. That's playable. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Make it 5 seconds to shoot, and someone tries to shoot, but that is not good. And that's unable to get the ball from the misfit. And someone is on the shot clock. 16 seconds. Kufa looking for someone to bounce the ball. That's searching for the ball. Very high jumper there. And person trying to steal the ball. But he gives the ball now to Kasaway. Kasaway giving it now to jersey number 6 to Rizal. But gives the ball back to Kufa. And LA pass to his teammate. And the pass is the ball there. But he hasn't able to score the ball. Now Obama looking for someone.
Kaya pumasa!
Here, that's Kupa now. Kupa. And now the winner. The winner giving now to the right of the winner. Giving now to the other winner. That's Kasawa. Kasawa. He was trying to go the slow. Mateo was able to get that ball now. It was in it. From the ball. Right by the winner. And we can see more. They're also trying to get the ball. About 2 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. Kupa. Kupa will try. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. Kupa. Kupa will try. Using the board and Papo Oka. And we know now for the East Arrow. Dribbling it. 6 minutes to play. Giving it now to Uboma. Uboma started the body out to Mayola. Getting out to the other side. And the shot. And the shot. And no goal. They're about to throw the ball. Uboma will get that one. It's too long. And that goes out. And now Kupa. As always, and he's here guarded by Wong, giving up the zone, giving back to Kupa. Kupa was below or to read, that's quite short, a little there. And it's shorts, 1 minute and 30 seconds. And now to Kilantang. Kilantang for Korea. No go, rebound by Perez. And now Perez giving it back to Kupa. Kupa now goes onto the corner and almost running the ball, but he gives that one to Navigo. Navigo using the board. No go. No go down for Mayon. Now the winner has the ball and it starts to escape there. The winner will to someone now to Obama as well. Obama to the under the ring, but now the person has the ball for Oka. And for Kupa, it's very important to him. Now Kasawa, Kasawa is down there to the winner of the thing. Now Luzano coming in here, And now Luzano going now to Kilantang, very tall there. Kasawa, 30 seconds. Kasawa again, to lead. Anchor, Bayan, 15 seconds remaining. And now this is Luzano. Luzano giving now to Perez. And now to Luzano. Luzano will try. Luzano will not. 5 seconds. We have to be. Let's see. Someone to 3-point made here. And another lead for Barangay East Awa. Tupa. Now Tupa stops. Through the jump shot. Nogo. Versus there. Nogo then. And now the ball is the hands of Kasaway. And giving out to Boma. Jersey number 19. Obama to the left side, giving out to student of the sea. And now to Kasawa again. 10 seconds to shoot that ball. 5 to shoot. Some throws, no go. Sakai, bounce pass again. Kilantang on his bonus shot, no go. That was a. And where is the ball now? It's Kilantang. Two. And this is jersey number 2, Kupa. Kupa still getting the ball. By Speedy here, looking for someone giving out to Big player is blocked by someone from the team. He's out on the jersey number 20. That's the surname. You can see Awang 14-23, 9 points advantage for the team East Awang. And the Belsabe will try to the court, no go. Rebounding the ball is to Sakai. Sakai will try, no go. That goes out of bounds. By his tapping his head, giving out to his teammate and steal it to right corner. Someone throws that ball at the no, giving out to Tupa. Tupa runs half like a cheetah and goes to the middle, half like a cheetah and goes to the middle. Giving now to convert the stealing member of the East Awang. And it's Pabukala. And the ball now. The ball now to Espedia. Espedia, someone giving out the wrist number 13. Now he's still on the right wing. And the 37. And 7 again. To the town. And now the teammate. 5 to shoot. At the lead. 30 seconds remaining. Now, Tupa. Giving out to Belsabe. Belsabe. 3 to shoot there. But unable to score. Rebound by Kilangkang. Kilangkang. Giving the ball for East Awang. 16 to 20. Score again. And now it's 13. Giving out to Espedia. 3 for 3. Or the shoot. But unable to score. And then the ball. The ball. Giving now to Belsabe. Belsabe. Tries. Penetrates. And it's Espedia. Giving out to the right corner. You can see it going down to the middle and second period. Warning for penalty, Barangay Kapuokan. And now it's that. On squad short, it's video now. That we do this time. After guys out. Panilio. And it has to Tunova. Giving it now to giving it now to Kilangkang. Then giving it back to Espedia. You can see now. He passes the ball there on the corner. Someone's there. And the ball has been passed on, and a nice pass and a nice play by the team East Awang. Now school play goes into the middle, giving it now to Perse. Perse, that's quite long, and Jumakai will recover that ball and giving it now to Perse, the younger Perse, and it's Pidilia, giving it now to Kilangkang. Kilangkang will not hit Pidilia, and trying to find Pidilia as well. Jumakai tries to the ball again. Pidilia is trying to find Pidilia as well. In the middle of the field, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Another score to Barangay East Awang. 19 to 27. Another 8-point lead for Barangay East Awang. And here in the middle, guys, gives the ball. Give it now again to the right wing. Now to Silulia. Now to Kilangkang. Kilangkang turns. Kilangkang going to Pabukal. Now to Kuda. Kuda. And no goal. Rebounded by Perse. Now Perse. Pandillo going to Perse and Lubin and Perse. The score Mulasa sehingga play and bersama giving out to Kuda, giving it back to him. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Kasaway will throw a 3 and he will score from Nova. Gets the ball and miss it. And now saying wait to his teammates. It's going to pass that ball now to Pandillo. And it's same way as well. Just like what Tundong says. And Pandillo. Mulasa, going here by Jumang, giving out to Kasawa. Kasawa saying something and barely here. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Make it 12 seconds. Pandillo. Nice ball, looking for someone is running back outside. Kasawa and to Nova, to Belsabe. Belsabe will try and Belsabe. Kilangkang just bring the ball even now to his teammates and still here for the team Kapuokan. Pandillo runs like a lightning strike. And the North and the lead is 3 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. Kasawa, guarded by Jumang, trying to get that ball from the hands of him. And that's Kuda, will try looking inside that scoreboard. And now Pandillo is running the ball for 18 seconds on the shot clock. Pandillo on the wing. Jumang recovers the ball and for Barangay East guarding for penalty East Awang. Dribbling the ball for the team. Mulasa now going to Kasawa, giving it back to him. 14 seconds on the shot. Too many passes here. Mulasa going on Kasawa. Kasawa is free there, but that's long. And getting the ball and the miss hit is to Nova, giving that ball now to Pandillo. Pandillo runs back. Mulasa trying to steal. Gives that ball back to Mulasa. And Mulasa now gives that ball to the left wing. Gives it back to Mulasa. Mulasa to the right wing this time. Someone throws it 2-1. And Perse looking for someone. Looking for there. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Perse. The older person. 1 point lead for Barangay Capuocan. Now, going to the right wing, that's 6. Kasawa is blocked, but Kasawa able to get a ball again. 7 seconds, no goal. Barangay Capuocan, Berse. Oh my God, Berse Lala. The little Berse was there. He cuts that ball instead. Berse on a jump shot. That is in the it's just a point lead for Capuocan against this hour. So let's see what the process for 10 seconds on the shot. That's up to goals. Able to score another. Wala na. 1 out of 2 only. Napanilya gusto ko ito naman Jimmy Nagwala. Small but bola player for the team ang Capuocan that goes up. And that ball has been passed on to Berse. 12 seconds on the shot clock naman. Giving now. Tutunog is blocked. But 20 seconds on the shot clock. Tulinog giving now to Tuga. Bounce pass to Romano. Romano able to score. Getting the ball down with Team Barangay Capuocan. Now Berse to the back. Dribble the ball and Berse to Manmana. Giving back to Manmana to Berse and Tutunog. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Manamani to go. That's quite long there. Just a little long. 30 seconds remaining. Kasawa going out to Lantang. Lantang will try. Lantang to the score. They're right for the ball. Within the line. So Romano on the second try.
Uli na eh. Medyo kay bata, tingnan mo yan.
Looking for someone giving now to Panilio. 15 seconds. Panilio's just waiting for the time to be over. He has to give his ball now. He has to shoot this. 5 seconds. Panilio to his teammate and kailangan mo second half. Kupa is here. Giving now to the right of Winning. Giving down to Kupa, 14 on the shot clock. He's guarded by Duino, giving it down to Luzano. Luzano turns, giving down to Kupa. Kupa will drop it to Luria, and he will score. Or the ball. Duino looking for someone to pound the ball. It's right to Kupa. That's a bit. Duino, there's a extra. And now Fonte Mario giving to Perez. Trying to touch the ball. So fast. Here, Bersabe giving back to Kupa. Kupa will try to, but that's long. Perez is there to get the ball and the foul ball. That's nice of him. 14 to 34 there is our score. We have a whistle called. And the score is started by Montemariola. Giving it out to Sevilla. Giving it out to Santana. Saying great to teammates. Giving some to pass the ball. 12 seconds on the shot clock. And Santana putting it in. And we have another to Perez from the opposing team. Now to Sevilla. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. And we have distributed the ball for the team, giving it out to Kupa. Will try to penetrate and Bersabe outside the line with the rebound that ball, giving out to Luzano just in here. And now Luzano giving back to Bersabe. Trying to get out of the court. 10 seconds on the shot clock and giving it out to Navito. And now just as Vilantana for dribbling. Luzano trying to see the ball. Following him is Pipiria. And giving back the point. To Bersabe to other someone tries to put there, no go, and falls in the hands down. Awa. And it's Luda, giving it up to the cutting down on the scoreboard. And now it's the ball going down to the middle for getting a shot out. Another big one there. That is foul against 22. That's the wall out of the line. 14 on the shot on back. Espilia Barangay East Awa, and that is brought to you by the Shell Recipe. I'm complete now. 42 to 39 is our score. The first 3-point lead. Luzano giving out to Bersabe. Now goes to the middle, giving out to Montemariola. Montemariola will try, but then the score. Again, leading the way. Unfortunate of him. I thought it's going to be shoot there by him, but no one was giving it out to Bersabe. Bersabe will try, Bersabe will give it to Narito. Narito will try, Narito used the 4 shoot for 3 points for Narito. 44-39, another 5 points advantage. And the ball is in the hands of the time. Obama looking for someone, waiting for teammates to come. Now it goes to the middle, tries to penetrate, and we have another whistle blown here. That is foul against warning for penalty. Barangay Capoaman. Now, Ruda is helping him to guard Luzano. Giving now back to Bong. 5 to shoot. Bong. 5 to shoot. Yes, sir. That's good for 2 points. So, for whoever you are, was able to see that was covered by someone. So, this is Luzano now. Gives the ball. Giving to someone. Bounce pass to the right wing. And now that is Perez. Richard Perez. Vying for the ball. Ruda giving out to Julia. Is giving it back so fast. Passing the ball to Ubong. Ubong right there. Another little goal. This time, that's foul against 6 on his first free throw. First free throw is good for Ubong. And the audience are clapping. His fans. And Ubong breathing. Trying to shoot the ball again. 2.2 for Ubong. 44-43. This is now just a point lead for Barangay Capoaman against East Awa and now to Luzano. 6 minutes remaining. Give it with the blocks and Perez has it. Banana the one out of the ball. One out of the team. East Awa is giving out to Buda. Going to the town to call back for the team East Awa. And we have a steal, and now that's Perez getting the ball now to speak of Luzano on the hands of both this time. Shoots that ball, 46 and 43 is our score. And now to the ball. Now Luzano trying to get the ball. And a nice one-hand shot there from Ubong. 46-45 is our score. Luzano, the other Luzano. Luzano to give the ball to the right wing and see more. Giving out a little score earlier and now 14 seconds. Luzano to Rian and the score. And Luzano, the other Luzano able to rebound and stop ball. Uga goes on to the side. But Ubong unable to catch the ball properly. Ubong inbounded the ball now to who is going to inbound the ball. Getting down to Pasaway. Pasaway will roll to right. Pasaway will roll to right. For Pasaway. That is again for Pasaway. I believe he has 3 points made. Boys have the team East Awa, and the East Awa is up by 2 points now, 46-48. 4 minutes and 41 seconds remaining in our second period. The SCP third period, and that's the winner now giving to Ubong. Ubong stops. Ubong will try to go for 3 seconds long, and not able to get the ball. And he's giving up the Perez. Perez leading the way. Perez scores at this time. And we are tied again, 48-48. And Romano. And we have a foul against jersey number 22, Narito. He'll count up to the hand 2 free throws. That's Romano. Stepping on the line for Romano. There is no point there. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Romano and Ruda almost receiving the ball. Is like at the 5th in the 9th. And now to Verte. Verte is 1 for foul out. And giving it down to Perez. Perez will try again. Trying to score this time. To go. Able to recover the ball. Sensing on the shot now. The down to back. The ball. Now to Ubong. Trying to catch that one. That is still good. That's clear ball. And the little guy. The little guy. Get the ball back to the team of Pasaway. Points for him. And nice one over there. And King East Awa is up again by 2 points. And we have a whistle called. And it's foul against Tech 6. That is the block. And Luzano now has the ball. And it's going to win again on stealing the ball. Rubino from stealing. And we have a foul there against jersey 6, Luzano. Illegal contact to the hand, the 2 free throws for Tubino. The third personal foul, Luzano. Jersey number 6. And jersey number 6, Tubino, will have 2 free throws here. And this is his first try. He breathes in, and he breathes out, and he shoots that ball. And Tubino on his second attempt, let's see. He breathes again. He blows the air coming from his mouth and stepping on the line for Noah Belset. Belset by Tubino and Ubong giving up the corner. Passing now to steal for the East Hour. And ball is back. Building up on Belset over the team.
Mahulog ito sa dito.
Giving up to the right wing of the team. That's Emilio. Giving up the ball. And now it's back. That's Belset able to score. Rebound by Comunical. Comunical giving up to Ubong. And Ubong giving that back to Silantang. Silantang is carried by Belset. And Silantang looking for someone to pass on the ball. Giving that to Tubino 14 seconds on the shot clock. Returns. Now he comes to the ball on his rebound. 10 seconds on the shot clock. On the ball. And yes, he did use that ball. Oh my God. He's trying to players from the net. And the ball. Now, after the line, again, back that one. He's right there with Perez. And looking for someone to pass the ball. Giving out to Tubino. Tubino on the corner. And not to shoot there for Tubino. Small but terrible player from the right. East Awang. 48-53. This is a 5-point advantage between East Awang. Pandillo. Pandillo decides to answer back the point and he answers back. 50-53. In favor of the East Awang. The winner again this time is right here by Luciano trying to get the ball in the hands of him. And now it stops for a minute and giving it now to Ubong. Ubong seeing that to play. 12 seconds on shot clock. Goes into the middle. Penetrates the ball. And slips through his hands. And Perez, the brother. Scores this time. 52-53 is our score. This is just a point lead for the East Awang. Tubino. Now right here by Belset. Another Belset. Now to Ubong. Ubong will try. Ubong another little wrong there. And that is foul against jersey number 22. Pandillo pushing foul at 2 free throws for Ubong. Third personal foul, Pandillo. First free throw, Ubong is good. Second throw. 2 for 2 for Ubong. Substitution, Ubong out. Wala sa iya. And the Perez giving out to Pandillo. Score 52-55. And Nova was able to react on the side. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining. And now the winner to Bulasa. Bulasa going now to Comunical. Another point for the team East Awang. 1 minute and 40 seconds. And we have another whistle there. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Luzano. Right here with the winner giving now to Nova going outside and over the bounce. Shoot the ball. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Giving now the ball to Tubino. And saying something very here. Tubino 14 on the shot clock. Giving now to Bulasa. Bulasa stopping here. 10 seconds on the shot clock now. Starting here with Pandillo. Starting to shoot. Tubino. Starting to shoot. Tubino. So all the way up and high. Second play for Tubino there. The ball on Washington. That one. To Pandillo. Pandillo with the left shot. Pandillo shot. Pandillo will go. Pandillo will go forward. Pandillo will go back. Silantang trying to play ball, but that was the bounce. shot clock. Bulasa still has that ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. He goes into the middle, trying to go for Silver goal. Panilo able to get the ball and miss it. And we have a whistle blown. Meron pa tayo. Diba? Makakita tayo. Garzabe giving now his teammate. 15 seconds on the shot clock. However, with one by Ronaldo. 20 seconds remaining. Bulasa. And looking for someone. 10 seconds. The winner will be on the scoreboard. The winner is Sergio. The winner is not. That goes out of Kilanta. Looking for someone. Giving out to Bulasa. Bulasa to go. And foul goal. Foul against 7. That is it. Second row. No goal. 0.5 second. It's just a 5 millisecond na naman po. And the third suko of Kapookan. Kaiba, Espadilla now has the ball. Discarded by Tupa. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Tapping the ball in Perez, and now Perez giving it down to Garzabe. And Panilo was there. And Perez, the brothers connection is good here. 54-59 is our score now. This one just a 5-point lead for the East Awa. And Espadilla giving it now to Kuda. Kuda runs past like a knife strike. And he tries, but unable to score. And from Nolan still playable, but he gets that ball to Obama. Person is very unfortunate on him. Obama will score for Barangay East Awa. 54-61 is our score. And now Tupa, guarded by Espadilla, going there for a layup. And that is good for 2 points as well for Tupa. 56-61 and this is in favor of Barangay East Awa. Last 9 minutes. And now Kruda, guarded by Pandilio here. And Kruda will dribble the ball. He turns, he goes into the middle. And almost falling down there. And Tumnova to Garzabe. And looking for someone giving it out. Tumnova, that's long. And it goes out of bounds. Okay, we have a jump ball. So ball for the team Kapookan. That's based on the shot clock. And an easy point there for Pandilio. 58-61, 3-point advantage. Another whistle blown, a foul against jersey number 2. Kilanta. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5. And that goes out of bounds. He's down there. Both teams still have 2 free throw, 2 timeouts left. Uzata giving it now to Garzabe. Garzabe will try, but doesn't able to score. Rebound there by Kilantang. Kilantang giving it out to his teammate. Let's see. Last 8 minutes. Now Kilantang is guarded by Panlino, trying to get that ball. And a steal for Panlino. Now he runs very fast. Take there, and now he tries. And that is good for 2 points. 60-61. And this is now just 1 point lead for the East Awa. Giving out the ball. That goes out of bounds on Rabia. And this is a turnover. Garzabe out. Romano out. Last 7 minutes and 41 seconds. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Panilio looking for someone, giving it now to Lozano. 7 seconds to shoot that ball. Lozano. Lozano will try. Lozano able to score. Rebound by Kasaway. Kasaway is looking for someone, and now we have passed the ball. Just Pinigla now giving back to Kasaway. Kasaway and now to Kilantang. Kilantang almost unable to reach the ball, but still he gets that one. And Kasaway, that's quite short there. Tupa gets the ball now. And that's a long pass to Nova. Under the ring, and last 7 minutes. 3 seconds violation against Nova. Kapookan, last 6 minutes. Panilo going now to Tupa. Tupa able to score. Kruda. Still here for Perez. About to drop the ball. Still they have it. Time of the goal again for 2 points. Back-to-back point here with Barangay Capo Ocan, 64-61. Another 3 points advantage for Capo Ocan. And now Duino versus Luzano. And now Duino versus Luzano. Duino winning the 1 on 2 points. 64-63. And this is Tupa giving it now to his teammate as Luzano giving it back to Tupa. And Tupa goes into the middle. He tries to break the rebound. The rebound by Perez. And that is still here for the team as East Awang giving it back to Kuda. Kuda to Duino giving it back to Kuda. Nagumana. Nakuha ngayon ang Ipanilio. And Panilio going out his brother Perez. Last 5 minutes. And 14 seconds on the shot clock now. Tupa is just watching the players. 10 seconds on the shot clock going down to the corner. We can see him anymore. Someone throws it. The board. Wherever you are, let's shoot for 2 points. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Duino now Luzano versus him. And now the ball going on to the middle. And we have a whistle blown. That is foul against Jersey. Looking for someone to hit by that ball. Giving it down to Kasaway. Kasaway will try. Giving it down to Kasaway. Kasaway will try. Kasaway is a wish there for Kasaway. 66-65. Another 1-point lead for the team Kapokan. And that's almost losing the ball. Still recovers that one. Tupa stops. Rolls with the Ria. And with the score. Giving down Kasaway. And now Upong. And Upong to Duino. Duino. And from to Duino, and another lead is back to the team East Awang, 66-67. East Awang now Luzano to Tupa. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Someone throws and able to score, and Luzano gets the ball and giving out the balance. But lifts it to his hands, but still there. Ball and he gets a goal there now. Possibility going there as well. Going now to Duino, but Luzano instead gets the ball on his team. And this is Luzano giving down to Tupa. Tupa goes into the middle and he is down. We have a foul there. That is a foul. And I believe the referees are gonna deliberate first. Alright, I believe we have the call here now. Alright, we have unsportsmanlike. The row is no good, stepping on the line. 33 seconds, Persabe now going to Tupa. Now Tupa going now to his teammate. Let's see, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Under the wing there, going out to Perez. 5 seconds to shoot. And that is still goal for the team. Capo Ocan, 4 seconds on the shot clock. 4 seconds. Persabe giving down to Nova. Kabila derecho kay Nego Andring. And that is good for 2 points. And we have a steal as well for Nova. Tulong giving out to Perez. The score now is 69-67. 2-point lead is back to the team Barangay Capo Ocan. Last 3 minutes. Tupa going now on to the outside of the court. And another point for Capo Ocan. Whoever you are, I want to see that. That was Tupa. Thank you so much. And 71-67 is our score. Kilantang scored by Tumnom, giving it out to Ubong. And Ubong giving it back to Kilantang. And we have and sportsman foul, I believe, as well for Barangay Capo Ocan. 28. And sportsman foul. Okay. Making an attempt to not playing the game. Alright. Value nila si Persabe. And Persabe, and the game ends. Di ka pwede sumunod. 1 point there for Kilantang on his first free throw. Here we go. The ball possession will be yours as well, East Awang. Second throw, 1 out of 2 free throws only for Kilantang and a ball possession for Barangay East Awang. Since sportsmanlike foul. 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Score 71 Kapuokan, 68 East Awang. Duwinog now has the ball. Duwinog is saying something I barely hear. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Now Duwinog runs, turns, goes into the middle. Now Duwinog runs, turns, goes into the middle, attempts to go for 2, and that's good for 2 points. 71 and 70. This is now just a 1-point lead. And now Camilo going now to that. That's the number able to score. And let's see Ana is here for the Nova. We have another little goal by the referee. Foul against 7. Panlilio on the second try. 2 for Panlilio. Score 73-70. And Kasaway now has the ball. Tubo trying still. Kasaway for 3. For Kasaway. Last 2 minutes. And we are tied at 73 apiece. And now leading to spin and see the ball is supposed to give it down to Perez. So Perez will try to score as well. 1 minute and 49 seconds, and Kapuokan is up again for 4 points. 77-73 at Duwinog. Now, looking for someone giving out to Kasaway. Kasaway stops. Kasaway looks for 3. Again and again. Timeout, Barangay. Alright, 1 minute and 37 seconds. Tupa, and they won't give it out to Nova. Tom turns, giving it out to the wrong person. Ay, Tupong, now has the ball. And a straight for Narito sila. Narito going out to Luzano. Luzano sa diretso. Luzano, no go, Narito the pair. Narito able to score 76 to 1 minute and 17 seconds. Kilantang, turns, Kilantang, it's blocked there. Narito able to get that ball now, looking for someone to pass on the ball. Let's see to Nova now. Nova runs very fast. Going now to Narito again for to Papa points. 81-76 for 1 minute. Last 1 minute here to Reno. Last 1 minute here to Reno. And we have a whistle blown by the referee. That is shot is basket. Foul against 22. That is the contact to the head. A ball shot now for Duwinog. 59 seconds. Score 81-70. Sinarito ang 22. Warning for penalty Kapuokan. This is a bonus shot for Duwinog. Now he breathes in, he breathes out, and he scores. Good for 3 points there for Duwinog. 81-79 is our score here. Panlilio looking for someone, giving it now to Luzano. Luzano almost losing the ball, looking for someone, giving it to Nob. To Nob. One-hand shot there. And now, this is Duwinog. Duwinog giving it out to Kasaway. Kasaway is the wrong. And rebound by Tupa. And we have a whistle blown there. Foul against 7. That is illegal use. Jersey number 7. Kilantang, sorry. Now Luzano. 30 seconds. Now he's looking for someone. 14 on the shot clock. Tupa no go, and now the ball is in the hands of Kilantang. He's looking at the back, giving it up to Kasaway. Kasaway for 3. No go, and running the ball is Narito. And we have another foul again. That is jersey number 7. And we have a foul against jersey and number 26. So that's Bulasa, a pushing foul. Penalty na daw. Penalty na the East Awang. Wala na. And warning for foul out Bulasa. 79. And now Kuda is back here. Bong for 3 and able to score. Rebound by Panlilio. 5 seconds. Bong outside of the line. got the ball, giving it down to his teammate. Running out of time.